almost there.
Whoa, look at the steps. Check them out.
That's always the case. This happens. Keep them apart.
Oh, baby, let him figure it out. I was doing the same thing with my brother. So, baby, you're gonna miss me while I'm gone?
How long are you gonna be gone for?
6 days?
6 days?
6 days.
Okay.
Are you gonna miss me?
Okay, no.
No? Yo, John Joseph.
What's happening, bro?
How you feeling about this?
So this series helped so many people, and those people are in your corner. You know, they're all saying, "Hey, man, we fucking can't wait to see how this goes." There's a lot of people that got your back. I got your back. Everybody has your back, and everybody wants you to do good.
Let me ask you a question, John. Do you ever bring your girl to the races? Because my wife, you know, she really wanted to come, and I was like trying to get my head around having someone there while I'm trying to compete. What's your rule when it comes to
You're barely
like?
gonna see her. You might hear her scream once. I mean, it's a distraction. You're not giving yourself a whole lot of time there. So I would suggest saying stay home, because you're gonna be under the gun when you get there.
In 2001, I nearly died from a heroin overdose. That's why I'm dedicating my very first Ironman race to help those similarly addicted by raising money for Addaction, one of the UK's leading mental health, drug, and alcohol charities. Thank you.